Jai Shri Gurudev. So in last class we already discussed the different types of functions. Two functions already discussed. One is identity function and second one is constant function. Next we move to the next third one is called polynomial function. Okay, first PC mathematics, polynomial function. What is polynomial function? You already heard about the word called polynomial. Polynomial ko kelidira. That is a function. Okay, polynomial function. What is polynomial function? See my dear students. A function f maps R to R. This is a real valued function. F maps R to R is said to be a polynomial function. When we get that this polynomial, this real valued function is polynomial function, if for each x belongs to R, for each x belongs to R, we are considering one variable x belongs to R, y is equals to this one. Y is equals to f of x is equals to, these are polynomial functions. See, a naught plus a1x plus a2x square plus and so on an x to the power of n. So here, so this is the actual polynomial function. Function defined from where to where? From R to R. F maps R to R is said to be a polynomial function for each x belongs to R. Y is equals to f of x is equals to a naught plus a1x plus a2x square and so on an x to the power of n. So here where n is the non-negative integer. N bartala non-negative integer. Negative non-negative integer. -1 -2 all. Okay. Positive values for non-negative integer. So a naught, a1, a2 and so on an belongs to what? Real number. So coefficient bartala coefficients a naught, a1 x coefficient, a2 x square coefficient. Side irukra coefficient irukku. So an is a x to the power of n coefficient. Understood? And an should not be 0. An should not be 0 ಅನ್ನೋದು. So this type of is called the polynomial function. Okay, so many polynomial functions are. This is our standard polynomial function. So if n is equals to 3 ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, 2 1 ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. 1 ಬಂದರೆ ಲೀನಿಯರ್, 2 ಬಂದರೆ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಾಟಿಕ್, 3 ಬಂದರೆ ಓಕೆ ಕ್ಯೂಬಿಕ್, 4 ಬಂದರೆ ಬೈ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಾಟಿಕ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಫಾರ್ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಈ ತರ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, y is equals to f of x is equals to 2x plus 1 plus 2x. So 1 ಅನ್ನೋದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 2 ಬಂದು a1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, x ಬಂದು x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ linear polynomial. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ x ಡಿಗ್ರಿ is 1, x to the power of 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. x ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇರೋದು x ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಾಟಿಕ್ ಅಂತೀವ, ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಾಟಿಕ್ ಅಂತೀವ x ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ax ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ plus bx plus c. So like that. So we have different polynomials are there. So we can create a constant graph for that one. Okay. So this is the definition of the polynomial function. This is the definition of the polynomial function. So graph means there is no certain only one graph for polynomial function not there. Okay, so many graphs are there. That's why in the textbook is given two types of polynomial functions. One is x square, another one is x cubed. Graphs are given. I will tell that one. So if you ask for the examination, you write this definition and write any one x square or x cubed graph. Okay, so it's domain graphs. Okay, so we will see the graph of the for example 13. And here we have to know examples for the polynomial functions. Already told now 1 plus 2x x square, 2x square plus 3x plus 2. This is one polynomial. Okay, so x square plus 3x, this is one other polynomial function. Okay na? But x to the power of 4 plus root 2 into x, this is another polynomial function. X to the power of 2 by 3 plus x square, this is not a polynomial function. Not a polynomial function. Why? Because x to the power of 2 by 3 is not a natural number, integer, positive integer ಆಗಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ. So ಈ ತರ ಇದ್ರೆ this is not a polynomial function. ಗೊತ್ತಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, this is not a polynomial function. x ಪವರ್ ಇರ್ತಲ್ಲ, it should be a positive integer ಇರಬೇಕು. Understood or not? Already told. Okay. So x to the power of 2 by 3, x to the power of 1 by 3, not like that. So we can't tell this is a polynomial function. So as a polynomial function, so we'll see some other examples. Okay, these are the some example, and some related problems are there to polynomial functions already told. Okay, I will tell that one please. So my dear students, so this is the example 30. So with this example, I will tell what is polynomial function on graph. Okay. See, define the function f max r to r. Define the function f max r to r by y equals to f of x. Y equals to f of x is equals to x square. Y equals to f of x is equals to x square. So this is now polynomial function x square polynomial. X belongs to r. You have to consider x belongs to r. X is r. Okay. And complete the table given below. You have to complete this table given below by using the definition. Already told now. What is the domain and range? You have to find out the domain and range. Okay. So what is the domain and range? What is the domain and range? You have to find out the domain and range of this function x square, f of x equals to x square. And of this function, draw a graph of f. Graph. Okay, na? This is also one of the important. Please see how to solve this. First, you have to fill this points. Point fill madana. Points for the coordinates you get now. By using that one, you can easily draw the graph. Okay. X is equals to minus 4. X is equals to minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. X is equals to minus 4 minus 4 whole square. Minus 4 whole square is minus 4 into minus 4, 16. Minus will become plus. Minus 3 whole square, 9. Minus 2 whole square, 4. 2 to the 4. Minus 1 whole square, minus will become plus. Minus 1 whole square, 1 square, 1. 0 square, 0. 1 square, 1. 2 square, 4. 3 square, 9. 4 square, 16. Like that, first we have to draw the, point. What are the points? Minus 4, 16, minus 3, 9, minus 2, 4, minus 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 4, 3, 9, 4, 16. These are the points. These points use we will draw the graph. Okay. See, I will draw the graph here. So this is x axis and this is y axis. Okay. And see x dash, this is y axis and this is y dash. So origin, this is origin. So part of the x up to 4. Okay, 4 varu ide. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Okay, now next y axis ಮೇಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ನೋಡಿ y. So 16 varu ide. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So up to 16 you have to write. That's why it is very difficult to write now like this. That's why to jump out. So don't write like this. It will be very difficult. Okay. So that's why. Okay, so this is 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6. Okay, this is x dash, this is x. Okay, y, this is y dash. Now 2, 4, 6, 8, next 10. Okay, next add to 10, 12, 12, 14. So 14, 16 also there, 16. So this is 16. Okay, write it here also. So 2, 4, okay, 6, next 8, 10, 12, 14, okay, 14, 16. Okay, na? So this is the graph. Okay. So what are the points now? Tell me points. Minus 4, 16. Minus 4, 16. See where minus 4 here, minus 4, minus 2, minus 4, minus 6. This is also minus, minus, minus. This is minus. Minus 4, minus 14, minus 16. These are the minus. This is minus. These two are minus 4, 16. Minus 4. This is minus 4, 16 here. Minus 4, 16 here is there. 16. Okay. Over. Next. Minus 2, minus 3. So minus 3 will come here. Minus 3. Minus 3. Minus 3, 9. Minus 3, minus 3, 9 here. 9 will come. Minus 3, 9. So minus 3, 9. Okay na? Next. Minus 2, 4. Minus 2. This is minus 2, 4 here. Okay, over. Next. Next. Minus 1, 1. Minus 1 will come here. Minus 1, 1 here. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Over. Next. Again, 1, 1, 2, 4. 1, 1. Here 1, 1. Here. 2, 4. 2, 4 here. 4, 3, 9. 3 will come. 3, 9 here. Okay. 3, 9. Next 4, 16. 4, 16 come. Okay. So this is the graph like that. It is a curve. This is not a straight line. Curve. So like that you have to see. So this is the x square graph. X square graph. Okay. So if you take graph sheet means it will be very clear. Graph sheet tondre easy clear agutte. Artha aita? Understand? This is a U shape idella, U shape alli. So this is the x square graph. X square graph. This is very, very important. X square graph. Understand now? Now I will tell what is domain and what is range. Domain. Next. Domain is equals to what? Set of real numbers. Ellanu bartade. Yavadanu tagobadu. If you take any yav value tagobadu. If you take any. Domain means ಏನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, which value you are substituting, x equals to 2 not 3 not 4 or 5 we are taking all values domain. So therefore domain is equals to set of real numbers. Range also range ನೋಡಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ರೇಂಜ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರ್. ಸೊ therefore ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರ್ ರೇಂಜ್ x is equals to x ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ನೋಡಿ, ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಯಾವುದು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ರೇಂಜ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೀಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಈ ಥರ ಬರೀಬೋದು. ರೇಂಜ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರ್ ಸಚ್ ದಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು ಆರ್. ಈ ಥರ ಬರೀಬೋದು. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರೀಬೋದು. ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಈ ಥರ ಬರೀಬೋದು. ಆರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬೋದು. ಆರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಝೀರೋ ಕೂಡ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಥರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಆರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅಂತ ಏನು, what is the meaning of r plus? So मुझे ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬರೀತಾರೆ, r plus ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬರೀತಾರೆ ಯಾರು. So r plus means what? R plus means positive real numbers. Why? Because if you take any negative value or positive value, ನೋಡಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ y ನೋಡಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. y ನೋಡಿ y ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ, this is y now ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ನಾವು x ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, y ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, y ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So therefore set of positive values ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ therefore ಅದನ್ನೇ r plus set of real numbers. r plus means what? Okay, positive real numbers including zero, union zero ಅಂದ್ರೆ zero positive, zero is neither positive nor negative. ಎಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ಅದು zero ಅನ್ನೋದು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ವೆಲ್ ನೋನ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ zero ಬರುತ್ತೆ, r plus ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಥರನ ಬರೀಬೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಥರನ ಬರೀಬೋದು. Range, this is range, this is domain. Very important. So x square these are the points, that is graph, x square graph. Okay, approximate ಆಗಿ ತರ u shape ಒಳಗೆ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಕೂಡ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಯಾರಿಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಇಷ್ಟು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ 4 points or 3 points. Okay, so positive 2 points, negative 2 points, 0. Okay, and this is domain, this is range. And next we will move to the next x cube. Okay, see my dear students, next example 14. This is another type of polynomial functions. Draw the graph of the function f maps r to r, real valued function f maps r to r to r, and defined by f of x is equals to x cubed, already told x square graph, u shaped. Okay na? So f of x is equals to x cubed, x belongs to r. How to draw this one? See solution. So we want points, no? Points ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Points ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು? First points ಬೇಕು. X is equals to x of y. Okay, y is equals to what? Y is equals to f of x is equals to x cubed. Okay, points one first one ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 1 cubed 1. Okay, next 2 cubed 8. Sorry, 0 cube 0. Okay, next ಏನಾಗಿದೆ? -1 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. -1 whole cube, -1 into -1 into -1, 1 into 1 into 1 1 -1 into 3 ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ -1. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ -2 into -2 into -2, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 3 ಮೈನಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 3 ಮೈನಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ -8. Okay, so like that you have to first write the points. First points na bari. Okay na? Points are. Next we will go to the graph. Graph anta ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು the graph. So let us consider graph. See. So this is the x axis, x dash. Okay, x axis and x dash. Okay, next y axis, okay, y axis, y dash. What are the points? 1 2, take 1 2. So this is 1, this is 2, this is -1. Okay, -1 -2 enough. -3 take that, otherwise here 3. Next y 1 ಇಂದ 8 ವರೆಗೂ ಇದೆ. 1 ಇಂದ 8. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, this is y. Here also same. Okay, 1 2 3 -3, -1 -2 -3 -4 -5 -6 -7 -8. Okay, overall. Next, draw the graph now. What is that? See, 1 comma 1 ಇರುತ್ತೆ, 1 comma 1. Okay, next 2 comma 8 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. See here 2 comma 8 approximately 2 comma 8. Next 0 comma 0 here, 0 comma 0. Next -1 comma -1. So -1, this one -1 comma -1. It will come here. Okay, approximately I am writing. Next -2 comma 8 here. So draw this. So approximately like this. So this is the graph of the x cubed function. ಈ ತರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಈ ತರ. Okay, like that. This is x cube. So the x square ಕೊಡಿ, ಈ ತರ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಬಂದು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಜಂಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ವಾಪಸ್. ಸೊ x cubed ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಆಡ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇದು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇದರಿಂದ ಬಂದು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, ನಾನು ಗುರ್ತಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, x cubed is very very important. This is the graph of the x cubed function. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? So this is also what is the domain? Domain is set of real numbers and range also set of real numbers. ಅರ್ಥದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರಬೇಕು. Domain also R, range also R. So domain is equals to R, range is equals to R. So y because y axis ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ತದೆ, x axis ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. So therefore this is about the function called polynomial function. One of the function f of x is equals to x cubed and previous one x square. F of x is x cubed. Okay na. Next class we will see some other functions. This is also very important for throughout your mathematics career, functions. Okay. Next we will see next polynomial function like rational functions, modulus function, greatest integer. So many functions are there. I will tell brief see neatly. Okay. My dear students, if you like this video, please share and subscribe to your friends. Okay, well wishers. Okay, if you have any doubt, please ask me through WhatsApp. Otherwise, commenting this video. Thank you.